Hello, this is Fetch API tutorial. So we'll learn how we can fetch an API from an app. So this is that joke API where we can get any joke there. I don't know if they're funny or not, but this is not the purpose of it. It's just to get the joke. So click on a joke and you will, every time you will fetch a new joke, and then click again and it will give you more. So basically it's getting the data from the server, whatever API is providing. So it could be a map API, weather API, any travel API. So you can collect it. So in this app, we will learn how to fetch the app using Axios. So I have created a new app just to cut the time. I did that npx create react app. So I created the folder before. So it's been created now. I can open the source folder. Let's do a bit of tidy up. We don't need those unnecessary things. Just delete that. It will break few links, but we can sort them out. App.css, app.js. So we don't need anything. So let's start this npm start. Let's see how it will react. So it's saying logo, that one is causing an issue. Okay. That's fine, everything. This one, we don't need that. And this one as well. So just tidy up now. It's nice and clean, but it's running. Can't see anything because there is nothing inside. So let's see. I can say H. Let's start with the div, and in this div will be h1, which will be best jokes here. So let's see if it's rendering. Yeah, it is rendering, so it's fine. I can make this window smaller and this one smaller a bit so we can see what's going on. So this is the our target. This is what we need to achieve here. So in this one, first of all, we need to fetch the API using Axios. So we need to install the Axios. If we can kill that terminal, npm install Axios. So it will install the Axios, and we need to import that. Couple of things here. Import React from React, and then import Axios from Axios. It will automatically import it. So the function we need to create here is very simple. So let's say const get joke equal so this will be Axios dot get. So that will be a URL. So URL will be here. This link will be at the bottom. I'll share that link. You can use this one or the link you want to use it. So once Axios will get data from here, and then what we need to do is response. So response will be a function. So basically it will set joke. So first we need to put that use the the use state hook. if you're not aware of, you need to Google it how to use hook, but you don't need to worry about it. This is very simple. So const let's say joke set joke. Yeah, that's close. That will be used state, and then yeah, so this will be hook that will set everything joke and joke. Okay, so set joke will be response dot data dot setup plus, let's say 1 2 3 dots, and these 3 dots will go then plus response dot data dot punchline. So what I'm getting here is if I just before let me this one console dot log, so this will be get joke. So let's no, this one not gonna work. npm start, so inspect console. So this one is not getting anything because we haven't done the the buttons or anything. So we'll come back to it. Let's see this one data here, and then return. What we need to do here is that we'll set the data, and then what we need to do is just add here a button. Get joke, and then there will be a div that will store the data. So here it's gonna be a joke. So this joke will be here, this joke. So then let's see if it's working. It's not working because we haven't given him any class or any on click function. So let's see on click. So this will be get joke, which is this one, get joke, and that's it. That will hopefully get the joke. Yeah, so it means when we click this button, it's fetching the data through this API and set joke, which is using use state. So it's using the state now and giving us all different jokes. So you can see that our API is working now. So the same way you can put any API and that will give you the same data. So just to style it a bit, something like this, we can use the same CSS. So if we go the index.js app.css, so here you can do it basically any sort of. First we need to style that button. So button will be padding 10 pixel top and bottom, 20 pixel left and right. So let's apply this class on the button. So that will be class name button, so we can see that it's nice and bigger. Okay, so now background color will be let's say this one, border none, border radius 30 pixel, so padding let's make 40, so nice and big. Color white. So font size will be 30 pixels, so it's nice and big. We can see that, or it's too big. Let's see 20 pixel. So the button is fine, cursor pointer, so we can see. Okay, we can do that hover effect, but that's don't need to do it. It's just fetching API. And then let's say let's give something to this joke. So the joke will be font size 30 pixel, background color let's say gray, width 70%, height auto, let's leave it auto, padding 10 pixel, margin 10 pixel, 20 pixel. So this one we need to apply that in the folder, so we can see that where it is this joke field, so that will be class name joke. So you can see there it's nicely lined up. Let's see margin 0, let's this one auto, so left and right will be auto, that will bring that in. Border radius 20 pixel, nice and clean. This looking super ugly, but anyway that's not the point here. So the point is to get the joke. Here we go. So the margin top we can say 30 pixel to just push it a bit down. So that's how we can fetch our data using Axios. So this is very handy. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.